Hello guys, it's Matthias here, and welcome to another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So anyway, today we are reviewing squishy and stretchy animals. First up,
Can I play with you too?
I'm making a video, I'm not playing Eva.
Oh.
Sorry about that guys. Here is crocodile. As you can see, it's very.
How about you show the snake?
No way, I'm showing the crocodile first.
Okay.
Can you please you want to here? Okay. That was my sister. I'm sorry about that, guys. So as you can see, this is very squishy. It's gonna whoop your tail at it.
And also the snakes are squishy.
Yeah, we're gonna get to those in a second.
No,
It's gonna chomp you down. Yeah, it's really stretchy too.
I think
That is a crocodile.
I think the crocodile have a lot of sharp teeth and measure the snake.
You're right. Crocodile does have sharp teeth. Up next is this snake. I brought this, like at least last week.
Wait a minute.
I brought this up the
This
weekend.
snake's got
Oh man.
green eyes.
Yeah, we'll get onto that snake too in a second. Oh man. It can eat its head apart. Oh man. Okay. So
I
what's the cool thing about it? It can eat your finger. Oh.
Eat your finger fun?
And it's actually kind of long for a toy. It's about 2 feet long.
Oh,
Maybe 3.
and you can spin it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Oh, the crocodiles. Knock it down. Okay, sorry about that. So that is a snake. Up next, the final snake, I guess. And not as long, but it's a coral snake. Not much red on it. Oh dear. Don't know why I think it faded away.
And you can the big blue snake. See?
Huh?
You can.
I know, you can stretch every one of them.
Yeah.
They're just squishy and stretchy video.
Yeah.
So, I have a surprise at the end of this video. Please remember this thing. Snake versus crocodile! You know what? I'm just gonna eat you.
And
I'm
this
gonna eat your upper jaw.
and
What? No, about you ruining this. Okay, stop messing around.
and here's the crocodile.
No. Stop messing around.
Okay.
This video is concluding, I guess. This is not done. And then, this is the coral snake. And ready for the surprise, guys. You might have seen me in some of my videos, but I cut my hair. You see it, huh? You like my hair? Thanks. So, leave in the comment section which one is your favorite animal.
Is your
Also, like and subscribe as I said in the beginning. Goodbye. Hope you like my haircut too. I took it yesterday. Goodbye.